Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk and red grapes juice, panna cotta or jello pudding. Now here in this can I have 400 ml of coconut milk, 140 ml of fresh water, 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder, and 400 ml of red grapes juice. Now this agar-agar powder is a vegetarian product, a plant extract. So those who are vegetarian can use this agar-agar powder. Otherwise you can even use gelatin, but then gelatin is an animal product. So now this agar-agar powder I'm going to divide half-half. So 1 tablespoon for the grapes juice and 1 tablespoon for the coconut milk. Now I'm going to mix this with the water. I'm going to use around 70 ml of water and mix the agar-agar powder so that the mixture get absorbed in the water. So I have used 70 ml of water to mix the powder. So here it is. Now let's go and start making the pudding. I have placed a wok on the stove and I've added the grapes juice and switch on the gas also. I'll wait for a boil, and after that only I'm going to add half of the agar-agar mixture here, the slurry. You can see the grapes juice is boiling, so I'm going to stir like this once so that the juice will not clump up at the bottom. Now to this I'm going to reduce the flame to medium, and to this I'm going to add half of the agar-agar and water mixture, and half I'm going to keep for the coconut milk. So here I add half of the slurry, and I'm going to keep on mixing continuously like this, otherwise the agar-agar powder may clump up at the bottom. I'm going to boil this till the agar-agar powder gets completely dissolved in the juice. And how to check that is that with the help of this spatula, I'm going to drop like this and then check whether the particles are stuck on the spoon or not. So I'm going to check that later on. So first let's keep boiling the liquid. So let's check whether the agar-agar particles have completely dissolved or not. Yes, I can't see any particles stuck on the spatula. That means it's completely dissolved in the liquid. So I'm going to switch off the gas. Now I have boiled this for 10 minutes on a medium flame. I have transferred the grapes juice in a bowl and let it rest for around 1 minute. And in the meantime, let's go and prepare the coconut jello. The procedure is almost same. I have placed the pan on the stove, and to this I've added, I poured the coconut milk, and I have added 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can use according to your choice. And I'm going to switch off the gas and keep stirring continuously till the sugar granules get completely dissolved in the coconut milk. I'm going to add around 100 ml of water here because it is too thick, so around 100 ml of water will do. That 100 ml of water I poured into the coconut milk can and I diluted like this. So this I'm going to pour it into the liquid and wait for a boil. After that only I'm going to add the agar-agar mixture. To this coconut milk I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I forgot to tell you. That is optional. If you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, you can skip that. Now you can see it's boiling. So now I'm going to add the agar-agar and the water mixture into this. And I'm going to keep on stirring it continuously till the agar-agar powder completely gets dissolved in the liquid. After boiling this for 10 minutes, I can see that there are no particles stuck on the spatula. So that means the powder has completely dissolved in the liquid. Here I switch off the gas. I cooked on a medium flame for 10 minutes. I have poured the grapes juice into this glass, and I'm going to keep it in a slanting position in that egg plate. And I'll keep it in the fridge for around 20 minutes to let it set. After that only, I'm going to take out and pour the coconut milk. You can see the panna cotta has set in this glass. Now I'm going to pour the coconut milk jello into this glass and keep it inside the fridge again and let it sit in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. So in this way, I'm going to pour the coconut milk into the glass. So here it is, our grapes juice and coconut milk panna cotta. I kept it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours, and after that I took out. I'm sure you will try to make this recipe, and if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and please do comment also. Thank you so much for watching.